Good vibes.
Yeah.
What? So how was yesterday?
Fantastic, sir. The food was beautiful, sir.
Yeah.
I want some of that more soup, bruv. I love it, brother.
So the soup's back out today. What can we do to help him?
No, she's all right.
Bang, bang, bang.
She does a bit
What's
of.
happening?
They're all fucking down.
She does a bit of something.
No.
She does a
Don't
bit
get
of.
on camera, bro.
Cool.
She does a bit of. She does a bit of
Yeah.
something she shouldn't do, bruv. You
Don't
know
like
what I mean?
cameraman.
Okay, cool. I
But
thought you had
she's all
something,
right.
I thought you had something to say.
We'll make sure she's all right, bruv. Don't
Yeah.
worry. She'll be all right with us, bruv.
Yeah?
We know everyone around here. She's all right.
Cool.
What's your name, bruv? What's your name?
Ringo.
Ringo. Oh, maybe last night, Ringo. I know one Ringo from Crystal Palace. Ringo, love you. Thank you for your help, yeah?
Oh, thank you, man.
Croydon love you, Ringo.
Yeah, that's it.
And
You
keep
can
that
say
brother.
something. You don't have to be on camera. Go on. You don't have to be on camera. Go on. Say what you're saying. Go on.
Look at the fucking state of this shithole.
Listen. How was the food yesterday? Just tell everyone how it was, please, quickly. Nice. Just tell everyone because I'm cooking right now. I'm gonna go and set up the kitchen. You like yam, yeah? Yam bring you back. You look like you're getting more life in your body, though. Look, since you've had the soup one day, boom, you're going like a little Superman. Listen, you just need 3 days of the soup, and then you'll be back on point. Yeah, do you need any clothes or anything like that? Yeah. I'll give you a cigarette. Dash that way, man. Throw that way. Yes, people, go on. Big up yourself. You don't know. Yeah, man, this is day 2 coming out into West Croydon. You understand? Yeah, the kitchen's out today, people. Yeah, we're gonna be cooking some food again. You understand? Big up each and everybody that's a part of the program, that's been supporting the movement. You understand? Everything are good vibes. We have to keep the good vibes up, and guess what? We have to keep the mission going, people. Yeah, it's important to keep the mission going. Today is a better day than yesterday because it's dry. First day back out, it was raining. You understand? Hardcore as well. But yeah, man, big up yourself, everybody. Yeah. Let's get everything going. You understand? Our good vibes. How you doing? You alright, yeah? Good vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah.
What? So how was yesterday?
Fantastic, sir. The food was beautiful, sir.
Yeah.
I want some of that more soup, bruv. I love it, brother.
So the soup's back out today. What can we do to help him?
No, she's all right.
Bang, bang, bang.
She does a bit
What's
of.
happening?
They're all fucking down.
She does a bit of something.
No.
She does a
Don't
bit
get
of.
on camera, bro.
Cool.
She does a bit of. She does a bit
Yeah.
of something she shouldn't do, bruv.
Don't
You know
like
what I mean?
cameraman.
Okay, cool. I
But
thought you had
she's all
something,
right.
I thought you had something to say.
We'll make sure she's all right, bruv. Don't
Yeah.
worry. She'll be all right with us, bruv.
Yeah?
We know everyone around here. She's all right.
Cool.
What's your name, bruv? What's your name?
Ringo.
Ringo. Oh, maybe last night, Ringo. I know one Ringo from Crystal Palace. Ringo, love you. Thank you for your help, yeah?
Oh, thank you, man.
Croydon love you, Ringo.
Yeah, that's it.
And keep
You can
that
say
brother.
something. You don't have to be on camera. Go on. You don't have to be on camera. Go on. Say what you're saying. Go on.
Look at the fucking state of this shithole.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, there's a lot happening. What's going on with her?
I don't know.
No,
Fucking
it's a woman.
man
That's a
down,
woman.
innit?
That's a woman.
I know.
It's a
Man
bird.
down.
Huh?
It's
a
woman
bird.
down. It's not man down. It's
a
called
bird.
everyone down.
What can we do to help her now?
Huh?
What can we do to help?
She needs some soup.
Soup. What about if I get a coffee from Greg's?
Yeah, that might help.
Yeah, she likes chocolate. She likes sweet thing. She likes sweet.
Get her up
Yeah,
then.
thank you. Ringo, thank you.
Just as we were about to go cook, and this is a mad thing. Yo. Yo, jump up, man. Jump up. How come you're on the floor like that, slumped like that? You want a coffee from Greg's?
Yes, please.
Let me get your coffee. You was gone there for a second.
Oh, bro, how long have I been sat there for?
About
Please don't film me.
about 10 minutes. Alright, so I think we've solved that problem. Before I go out and cook everybody, it's really bad out here in the community in Croydon. Look, there's people just here. Like, do you understand? The support is needed out here. You understand? We need some street steward. Ringo Vision alone can't be out here, you understand? Because there's too much to deal with at one time. Sometimes it can be a bit too much, but we still have to stand out here on the battlefield with the people them and support them, you understand? They need the food, so yeah, man. If you're watching this video, wherever you are, thank you very much for being a part of the journey. But if you can come out on a mission, because we've got individuals like these that need that little extra support as well as the food as well, you understand, people? So this is the condition of our local area here in Croydon. You understand? This is what it's really like out here in Croydon, people. You've got individuals that they're finding shelter here in the train station. So if you guys can support, they need supported living, they need supported housing. Some of them are suffering from mental health, some of them are suffering from drugs, some of them are suffering from alcohol abuse. But we need some support here in our local town in Croydon. So if you're watching it, Croydon Council, Mayor of Croydon, all the individuals that are playing charitable causes, I think all the charities should actually be coming together in the community, doing a collaboration and tackling the issues and coming out powerful, not just here, there, this day, at that random time. No, everyone needs to come out, every charity needs to come out in Croydon at the same time every day and do like a street steward right across Croydon from one end to the other end. You got this charity doing the soup, this charity doing the healthcare, this charity doing the housing, this, and everybody's out as a big team army out. That's what I think that this community also needs, and every other community that is suffering from homelessness. You understand? I'm out here, people. Yeah, the kitchen is not set up yet, but I just thought, let me just walk around town, and this is what's happening as I'm out here. You understand? So the support is needed. Croydon is suffering. What do you mean? Croydon is suffering right now, but at the same time, while Croydon is suffering, we've got big skyscrapers being flung up. We've got a lot of business being run. Businesses are still operating as normal, but yet still on the streets of Croydon, which is like known to the home of the Home Office heir in England. It's a town that's actually booming. It's booming on one aspect because there's business, it's a busy place, it's multicultural, it's diverse. You understand? A lot of people saying that Croydon is an S-hole, but really and truly it's not, because people are surviving here and finding job and work here. This is where a lot of the work is, here in South London. Croydon's that city that offers a lot of employment. Look at these buildings. These are houses being dashed up. These are houses, skyscrapers behind you. But at the same time, in and around the city, you're going to see a lot of homelessness and a lot of people sleeping rough and a lot of mental health, a lot of alcohol abuse. Gambling places that are popping down the city as well. Wagwan, you alright? How is it here in Croydon? How is it? How is it? Have you got a house? Have you got somewhere to live? So this is someone here that's also suffering a little bit from mental health. I have the kitchen ready in about an hour, yeah, some food, yeah? Yeah? Alright, so yeah, he'll come and get his food, but what I'm trying to say to you, there's brothers and sisters out here that are suffering, people. I'm not going to go too much down on the high street, but you know what I'm talking about. Let's come together and let's tackle this mission, people, yeah? I'm back out in Croydon, I'm back out in the community, you understand? Let's clean up. Let's see if we can do a big cleanup by Easter. Then we've got summer coming up. Let's see how many people we can rehouse or help to get rehoused or help to get rehabilitated. Some of these people also need to go into rehab as well. So come on, let's see if we can give them the right advice to rehabilitate their life as well and help them solve, you understand? To get back on their feet as well, people, yeah? So come out with me. If you're watching this video, please like and subscribe it, share it with friends and family, you understand? Spread the awareness. The kitchen is back, people, in our local community, and we're feeding the people them, but also the people them need more help. As you can see down there at the bus stop, there's a big gathering of homeless people, Sedway, you understand? In the community, there's homeless people all over the town, people, yeah? So one love to each and every one of you. Good vibes. Listen, how was the food yesterday? Just tell everyone how it was, please, quickly. Nice.
Yeah.
Just tell everyone, because I'm cooking right now, I'm going to go and set up the kitchen.
Right, the potatoes, the yam.
You like yam, yeah? Yam bring you back. You look like you're getting more life in your body, though. Look, since you've had the soup one day, boop, you're going like a little Super Mario. Listen, you just need 3 days of the soup, and then you'll be back on point. Yeah, do you need any clothes or anything like that?
Yeah.
I'll give you a cigarette. Dash that way, man. Throw that way. Alright, so let the mission continue, people, car. Yeah, man, the mission has to continue. I've got the pulley here behind me. You understand? So we're just gonna go and get some ingredients right now, and then we're just gonna go and set up the kitchen, people. Yeah. So yeah, man, big up yourself. Like I said, I'm just showing you what Croydon can be like sometimes. You understand? I even start cooking yet, and I'm showing you what the conditions are like first thing in the morning in the city. You understand? It's treacherous, but at the same time, there's a lot happening. There's loads of businesses, and the businesses them are booming. It's a busy high street, busy town, busy city, multicultural. Uncle, I want some food today, some yam. Yesterday's yam was alright, but I weren't feeling it like that. Yeah, it was alright. But yeah, let me get some more things today. Let me say, we want a green plant for going to the soup. Getting ingredients going to the soup, people, yeah. So big up yourself. One love, everybody, yeah. I see you guys again in a shorter while. Just look out for the video coming out after this one, yeah. Uncle, how was the soup yesterday?
It was very good.
Good,
It's
yeah?
thick, yeah, but it's nice.
Nice, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna make the same soup again today.
Yeah, it was good. Nice.
Alright?
Alright.
Yeah. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. So tell me if that's not a good man. Also, no matter what, how you see the thing, and he's out here and he's living on the streets, but at the same time he's looking after his community. You understand? Big up Dave. You understand? And he lives right there. He's still looking after his community. He's sweeping up the streets, said way. You understand? A good vibe. Yes, everybody, so we're outside with the kitchen, you understand? Look, it's a nice bright day today. A good vibes. Alright, everybody, so this is day 2 now, and we're out with the kitchen, you understand? So let me show you what's happening in the pot right now. So yeah, so we've got some pumpkin in the pot. Yeah, man, let me show you, it's a pot of bubble. So we've got some pumpkin in the pot, people. You can start breaking down the pumpkin, because the pumpkin going to create the colour. You understand? Pumpkin gets soft up in the pot right now. We've got right plant in, green plant in, we've got cho-cho, we've got scallion, we've got thyme, we've got garlic inside of here as well. We've got carrots in here, peppers, red onions. You understand? A good vibe, but we've also got some more ingredients to go into the pot, people. So yeah, man, if we start cut up some things into the pot. Understand? Good vibes. Yeah. We'll put some scallion into the pot right now. Good flavour. Flavour. Look more. Yeah, look more for it. Yeah.
Respect, big man.
Respect. Yeah, respect. Yeah, so we're just here with the kitchen right now, everybody. Cook the pot of soup. This is day 2. Soup for the homeless today, people. So good vibes. It feels absolutely good to be back outside. Put the camera on me inside. Let me talk to everybody. You understand? So good vibes, everybody. So we're back outside of the kitchen again. You understand? It's amazing. So we're just adding some carrots into the pot. You understand? We're just right here on Main West Croydon, London Road. You understand? Put some scallion in the pot. You understand? You can see all that oil, that grease on top of the pot. That's from the coconut cream, you understand? So the coconut, got the coconut in there, adding towards the flavours as well, everybody. Yeah, man, so just, you understand? You can cut it there, Si.